G'day guys, Reflex here with another update for you. This time we're getting in on the Blue Whale, the Lexus, and we're doing knock sensors. Well, I've done knock sensors, but yeah, I just wanted to get the manifold off and I couldn't be bothered filming, so here we are right now. And okay, so here's the manifold. It is a beast of a unit. So yeah, trying to look. It looks straightforward to get off. It really, it is, but there's a lot of shit in the way. The main thing is the feed line for the rails, because it's a thankfully it's a returnless system. It's a deadhead system, so it makes things a lot more simple. But yeah, that feed line fouls on this wiring, on this main harness here, which basically goes straight to the computer. And while we're in here, we're doing that. For those who don't know, they're Toyota UZ engines. That is the starter motor. Yes, it's in the V. What a stupid idea. Thankfully they build their starter motors really well. But, and I figured I'm in here, I may as well. You know, and this thing's not going to get finished today either, so, because I've slightly chowdered up that one of the gaskets. Yeah, that's chowdered that gasket up. It looked way worse when I pulled it out. Ooh. And demonetized. So yeah, next thing we got to do is get this bridge off, because there's two bolts in behind there that we need to get to, and we cannot get to them with that bridge in the way. I've got a whole lot of shit for this thing. Well, some of it's coming from the States, some of it's coming from Oz. Oh yeah, that's a nice boogie override system for the fans. Yeah, so, and that's what happened to the radiator. Focus, you fuck. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that goes there normally. That's a bit hooped. This car is pretty boogy at the moment. It won't be in the end. What else? Yeah, there's not really much else under here I've got to do. I've got to fix the. I'm going to get my Sparky to put the wires back in that. That kind of came out. That's for that coolant temperature sensor. What else do I need to do? Under here, fuck all. Oh, and one of the wires and one of the coil packs came out as well. The less reefing on the harness I do from here on in, the better. Hopefully I haven't damaged any of my injector wiring. Otherwise it's going to be a pain. Thankfully the injectors aren't that hard to get to. So yeah, she won't be going home tonight. Alright, let's get this fucking bridge off. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we got that bridge off. Oh shit. Yeah, it's just piss cooling everywhere, as you'd expect it would, because I haven't drained it, because I can't be fucked. 12mm bolt to get that big plastic thing off. You got to be taking the piss. This is a brand new tool set. It's been missing for 3 fucking days. No idea where it's gone. I'm fucking spewing. Thankfully I've found one lying around. Oh god, focus you fuck. 12mm, yeah, it's upside down, who cares. It'll have to do. Yeah. There's 2 bolts down behind there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, whatever. There's 2 of those bad boys down there. I think 14s or something. We'll get those out, undo it, and Jesus. Alright. Oh, Jesus, I didn't need to know that. Let's send that there. Okay. What a mission to do. Get that little beast out. That little box of shit there, that little cover, was just in the way of the rear nut. The nut off the bolt on that side. What a nightmare. And can't really undo the the little nut there holding that on until the starter motor's free, so you can cock the thing over and get to it. So I'm pulling that off because I don't want to go back in there. That's going to get a reco. So new set of bearings, set of brushes, contacts, blah blah blah. I don't know what that little gadget is. Ow. That probably wasn't good. Maybe. I think that's just a vent. Yeah, it's just a vent. So that's pretty much it for, well, not only tonight but the whole weekend. It's a long weekend, thankfully, but I'm going to be back in here tomorrow with the Legnum and measure up a couple of hoses and get them made in braided lines. Just basic shit, and get it detailed. Get it detailed as well. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for tonight. No more beers either. I'm pissed off about that. Next door's all locked up. Bugger. Anyway, what the hell am I doing? So, part 2 of this will be probably Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. I can't get gaskets for this, well, replacement gaskets, so because there's none in the country. Even Toyota doesn't have any. They're cheap, but they're just not available. So they'll be ex-Japan, and I'm not waiting 3 weeks for a pair of gaskets. So I'm just gonna urethane or gasket glue it up and hope for the best. These are the old knock sensors. Fuck all to them. It's got a little piezoelectric doodad in there. That emits a voltage when it hears knocking. So either they've gone bad or the wiring's gone bad. I don't know yet. I'm not going to know until I put it all back together and fire it up and take it for a drive. That's what I'm scared about. So yeah, should be interesting. It'll be fucking demoralising if it fucks out on me after all that rubbish. I really don't want to have to go back in here. If it's wiring, it's probably this little loom here. That'll probably be it. There'll be a break in there or something's gone bad in there. I can't imagine what though. Well, I've probably knocked it around so much that it's probably broken now, but no, we're not going to know until we find out. Ain't going to know until we know. I hate that. Anyway, that's me signing off for tonight. Stay tuned for part 2 of which is the reassembly. Thanks for watching.